Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get an SD card reader to work on an iPhone so you can access your files quickly and without hassle. Now let's get started. Step 1. Identify your iPhone model to know which adapter you need. Newer iPhones like the iPhone 15 use USB-C, while older models still use the Lightning port. Step 2. Use the correct adapter for your phone. A USB-C adapter is needed for iPhone 15 and newer, and a Lightning adapter for older devices. Step 3. Insert your SD card into the reader, then plug the reader into your iPhone. Make sure the connection is firm and secure. Step 4. Check that your SD card is formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. iPhones can only read these formats, so reformatting may be required if the card isn't recognized. Step 5. Open the Files app on your iPhone. This is where all external drives and cards are accessed on iOS. Step 6. Look under the Location section inside the Files app. Your SD card should appear here by its name if it's been detected. Step 7. If your SD card doesn't show up, restart your iPhone. After it powers back on, open the Files app again and check. Step 8. When you're done, safely eject the SD card by unplugging the reader from your iPhone. This helps prevent data loss or corruption. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.